Your teacher probably said that the empty set is a subset of every set. But why? Believe me, it does provide a satisfactory answer. You see, to be a subset of any set, the set must contain all the elements the subset contains. For example, this set, X, is a subset of this set, A, because all the elements of X are in A. We can check one by one for each element in both sets. They indeed match. Therefore, X is a subset of A. But now, let's take an empty set. An empty set, by definition, has no elements. Now, if we want to check whether the empty set is a subset of A or not, what can we do? There is no element in the empty set, so there is nothing to check for. So the empty set must be in A. Let's simplify it. I can say that every human on Mars is 6 feet tall. Is this statement true? Probably. But you can't prove this statement false, because there are no humans on Mars. You can't check. This kind of statement is called vacuously true. It is true, or more precisely, vacuously true, because we do not have the ability to check. So to prove whether the empty set is a subset of an arbitrary set, we have to check 0 times. That's why it is true by default. Hope this makes sense a little bit.